How to add stickers in CapCut Mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device. Import your video. Then, at the bottom, simply scroll to the left. After you do that, you'll find sticker, click on it. Then you'll find different stickers in here. Simply scroll down and select the sticker you want. After you've selected, it will add it to your video. You can drag it at the bottom wherever you want. You can also drag it in the video wherever you want. After you do that, you're good to go. And this is how to add stickers in CapCut Mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.